Hey guys, welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. You know I'm going to do everything I can to help share with you guys how to substitute things to save money, because things can be a little pricey and sometimes they're needed. And it just makes me feel good to help you not waste your coins if you don't need something for multiple uses and you just need it for maybe one recipe. And you know I am a beast in the kitchen and I love sharing kitchen tips and hacks. Excuse me. So, you've been looking for that smoked paprika everywhere. You can't find it. You don't know where to get it from. And it seems to always be off the shelves, right? So, smoked paprika is something that makes food taste amazing, especially meats and especially different sauces. So, if you have been having that problem, fret no more. You can replace that with chipotle chili pepper. And usually this is always on the shelves and you can find it in many different places. So if you can't find smoked paprika, here you go. Thank me later and thumbs up on that. Thank me later. You will definitely see that this is the same effect as smoked paprika, and it is at like a fraction of the cost because it's hard to find it. I think McCormick and there's another one, the organic great value one. Usually, but it's hard to find it in that as well. So here you go. Get you some chipotle chili powder and you go and get that recipe done so that your family can smile and say that was tasty. If you are new to my family, make sure you subscribe, and that is how you join my family. Hit that notification bell. That way you are alerted every time I load a new video. If you have any questions, leave them below. And with that being said, I will see you guys later.